Next one is caste mobility. Like Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, outside the caste system, which is untouchables. So just we have shown only 5 caste groups here. So because out of discontent, the people who are down in this ladder move up in this ladder, which is known as upward mobility, and some of them, due to or in the pretext of availing benefits of reservation, want to come down this ladder, which is known as downward. See, there are different means of upward and downward mobility: by means of warfare, by means of service to kings, by means of population census, and by means of elite emulation or transformation, in which again you have 2 types: Sanskritization and Westernization. Downward mobility is by means of desanskritization and pseudo-tribalism or tribalization. These are all small topics. You can understand how much depth is there. They are very shallow in nature.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.